Hi guys, and this is a new video, a new tutorial about the Tik Tok application. Today we will show you how to save the selected video from the draft section to your phone gallery without watermark. So let's go to the Tik Tok app, and before recording I need to say you that unfortunately we don't have any special button, any special feature just to tap on it one time and save the selected video to the gallery without watermark. But we have a cool solution for you. So let's use the draft section to do it, and you can also repeat these settings if you like it on your device. But remember that we will choose the drafts video, not uploaded on your profile page, but drafts, because when we will save the selected video from the profile page, we will have the floating watermark on it, and it will be very hard to disable it, to remove it from the video. But when we will use the draft video, it will be very easy to cut the needful frame, cut the video to the needful scale, to remove any Tik Tok settings and icons on the video. So let's do it. Right now I am on my draft section, and let's choose one of the created Tik Tok. I will pick on it, and let's use the screen recorder mode. I can find it on my notification bar. We will have it with this icon because I have an iPhone. Also, you can smoothly activate this feature on Android. But right now I will show you how to manage the screen recording feature on iPhone. So as you can see, we have this special shortcut. After tapping on it one time, I will start my screen recording feature. But if you don't have this icon on your device, you can successfully activate it. After going to the settings app, you can find this feature on the main menu or on the home screen. Later, let's tap on the Control Center, and right now on the first bar, as you can see, we have the included features here. We have the screen recorder option, so I will right now remove it from my bar to show you how to activate it, how to add it to the notification bar. So if you don't have the screen recorder on your phone, you just need to swipe down the appeared list and find the screen recording feature. Later, you need to tap on the plus icon opposite it to add it to the bar. As you can see, right now we have the needful option here, and as I showed you before, we have this icon on the bar, on the notification bar. So to start screen recording, let's go to our panel again, and I need to tap on this shortcut. We have 3 seconds before recording. And right now we need to wait a minute before the whole video shooted. So to stop recording, let's pick on this red icon at the top screen and pick on the stop option. From now on, we have this saved default draft video in our photos section. So let's go to the Photos app, it's our gallery, and go to the recent. So this is my newly created video, which I save just by using the screen recording. So let's pick on it one time, and let's manage it to disable all of the Tik Tok icons and watermarks, shortcuts, to have the clean and smooth video. So let's go to the edit mode. I can find it on the top bar of the screen. Right now I will, as an example, cut the length of my video just by using the lines on the right and left side. I need to drag the lines and to stop it on the needful time when I want to start my video and end it. I will do it in this way to have the clean Tik Tok. Perfect. And so we have our Tik Tok on the needful with the needful timer, with the needful duration, and right now we need to cut it and choose the needful scale. So let's go to the four section I can find on the bottom bar. And just by using this corner, this right corner, and this special square, I can smoothly cut my video. I just need to drag this corner to the needful side and place and stop it. So I will remove my my TikTok icons and texts to have, as I said before, a clean video. Later, let's press on the done option at the bottom, and I, as an example, will save this video. Wait a minute before preparing new video, and let's check it after tapping on the play button. So yes guys, right now, as you can check, we have our video smoothly saved. But of course, if you want to have all of the moments on your video and you want to catch all of them, this option won't be good for you. But if you don't, if it's not important, it's a cool option that you can smoothly use on your device. Don't forget about the screen recording setting that definitely will help you to record and to capture the needful video on your device. So we hope that the TikTok app will add this cool feature to save any TikTok from your account without watermark, but right now we need to find out some features and tricks. So guys, if this video was useful and important for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to save likes below and save some comments. Bye bye.